blood, dust in my teeth, and smoke in my lungs. Mama cried to a God that was blind. I learned young that mercy's hard to find. Leather hands and broken bones, stealing bread just to bring it home. Preacher said I rot where I stood, guess he was right, but I never understood. No cross, no crown, just dirt dragging me down. I was born for the dust, for the rust, for the broken roads. I was carved by the dark, by the scars that the devil sowed. Dust in my soul, ash in my breath, born for the dust, till there's nothing left. Cut my teeth on a bottle of shame, sold my soul just to dodge the rain. Played my sins like a crooked hand, and watched my heaven turn to sand. No light, no sign, just whiskey and time. I was born for the dust, for the rust, for the broken roads. I was carved by the dark, by the scars that the devil sowed. Dust in my soul, ash in my breath, born for the dust, till there's nothing left.
Some men ride for gold, some just ride to be forgot.
Born for the dust, for the rust, for the broken roads. I was carved by the dark, by the scars that the devil sowed. Dust in my soul, ash in my breath, born for the dust, till there's nothing left. Nothing left.
Dirt road in a town you wouldn't know. My pops picked the place up for $1,500 back in 1964. My grandfather was a drinker back in the day, he put him down. But a war is known to change a man, and the whiskey's known to change a man. That's not me. I rarely drink from the bottle, but I'll smoke a little weed. I still live in the sticks where you wouldn't go, in a town of 1,200 off an old dirt road, and a country boy is all I'll ever be. Now it's been 12 years since I sold my soul to the devil in LA. He said, sign your name here on the dotted line, and your songs, they all will play. He set up shop on Sunset, he put me up at the Marquee. He said,
you wanna sell 1,000,000 records, boy? You better listen to me.
He said,
change your style, whiten your smile. You could lose a couple of pounds if you wanna live this life, you better lose that wife. Do you need your friends around?
I said, no, that's not me. 'Cause the biggest things in life are your friends and family. And I like my jeans and my old t-shirts, and a couple extra pounds never really hurt. 'Cause a country boy is all I'll ever be. 'Cause Hank taught me just how to stay alive. You never catch me out the house without my 9 or 45. I got a big orange tractor and a diesel truck. My idea of heaven's chasing whitetail bucks, and as a country boy, you know I can survive. Now 2 flags fly above my land and really sum up how I feel. One is the colors that fly high and proud, the red, the white, the blue. The other one's got a rattlesnake with a simple statement made. Don't tread on me is what it says, and I'll take that to my grave. Because this is me. I'm proud to be American and strong in my belief. And I've said it before, but I'll say it again, 'cause I've never needed government to hold my hand. And I've said it before, but I'll say it again, 'cause my family's always fought and died to save this land. And a country boy is all I'll ever be.
Been up since the crack of dawn, just trying to get paid. Been hotter than 100 suns, I can't find no shade. Just 2 more rows and I'm good to go. Yeah, I'm shutting this tractor down. Give me a half an hour for a shave and a shower, and I'll be outside your house. Might have a little dirt on my boots, but I'm taking you uptown tonight. Might have a little mud on my wheels, but they gonna shine with you up inside. Gonna hit the club, gonna cut a rug, burn it up like neon lights. Might have a little dirt on my boots, but we're gonna dance the dust right off them tonight. Got a little dirt on my boots. Hard as I worked all day, I'm gonna work harder loving on you. Spin you all over that dance floor, right out of them high heel shoes. And when you're ready to quit, baby, we can slip right out of that barroom door. And when I take you home, don't worry, babe, I'm gonna kick them off on the porch. Might have a little dirt on my boots, but I'm taking you uptown tonight. Might have a little mud on my wheels, but they gonna shine with you up inside. Gonna hit the club, gonna cut a rug, burn it up like neon lights. Might have a little dirt on my boots, but we're gonna dance the dust right off them tonight. Got a little dirt on my boots. let's ride off them tonight. Got a little dirt on my boots. Got a little dirt on my boots. Got a little dirt on my boots.
I've been known to piss some people off. From the Sunset Strip to small town honky tonks. I've been behind both kinds of bars. I broke some hearts and crashed some cars. I'm on the edge, but I'll always walk the line. A little bit of smoke, a whole lot of whiskey, a little down home, a little bit gypsy. It's a rocky road, but it's the one I chose. So roll on, roll on. A whole lot of hell, a little bit of heaven. They can ring the bell, I'ma keep swinging. I always have, ain't ever gonna stop. I'm gonna make my country rock. I'm gonna make my country rock. Well, I've been known to take things way too far. Don't tell me how to play this damn guitar.
I've parted with both kinds of stars around the world, to my backyard out on the edge until the day I die.
A little bit of smoke, a whole lot of whiskey, a little down home, little bit gypsy. It's a rock and roll, but it's the one I chose. So roll on, roll on.
A whole lot of hell, a little bit of heaven. They can ring the bell, but I'ma keep swinging. I always have, ain't never gonna stop. I'm gonna make my country rock. Ooh, I'm gonna make my country rock. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
A whole lot of smoke, a whole lot of whiskey. It's a rocky road, but it's the one I chose. So roll on, roll on. A whole lot of hell, a little bit of heaven. They can ring the bell, I'ma keep swinging.
Always have, ain't never gonna stop.
I'm gonna make my country rock. I'm gonna make my country rock.
I'm gonna make my country rock.
Got a gypsy soul, I'm a rebel and rogue, and I'm always on the run. With a fire inside, I ain't ever gonna die. I'm a locked and loaded gun. When the match is striking, the gasoline